Welcome to the DS18 one-on-one videos. Today we're gonna talk about Jeeps. I'm Mr. DS18 and I got a special surprise for you. We're gonna talk about the DS18 JL-Loud and the DS18 JL Soundbar, specifically for Jeep Wranglers, JL, JLU, and Gladiators. Behind me, we have one of our demo vehicles that has the JL-Loud. This thing is crazy loud. It fits 12 speakers in total. You got 4 8-inch speakers, 4 drivers, and 4 tweeters. The JL-Loud, extremely loud. This particular setup has 4 of our DS18 Pro mids, 4 of our DS18 Pro grills, 4 LED rings. We got 4 TW4Ls, that's the LED tweeter. And we got 4 Pro DR450s, one of our loudest drivers. These are screw-on drivers. The JL-Loud is high density, 100% injected mold plastic. This thing is weatherproof, waterproof, anything proof. It's very heavy, it's very strong material. You're not gonna have any problems with it cracking or fading. It has a DS18 badge, which is also RGB. Now, it's easy to mount, and not only it works on the JL Wranglers, it also works on the JK Wranglers. Any of the 4-door Wranglers, this baby will fit in perfectly. It also comes with the hardware and the mounting brackets you need to put these on. So here we have the JL Soundbar, available in 3 colors. We got red, we got black, and we got white. It fits 8 speakers in total, 4 8-inch speakers and 4 3.72-inch tweeters. We have 2 different setups here so you guys can check it out. You can either go extreme off-road or you can go really loud. We got the Hydro speakers in 8-inch here with our TW4L tweeters. And on this side, we got the Pro Audio mids with our DS18 grills and the Pro 420 tweeter. So I showed you guys what fits in the JL-Loud and what fits in the JL Soundbar. Now it's time for some demos. Now that was loud. I would say stupid loud. That's one of the loudest Jeeps I've ever heard. The JL Soundbar fits perfectly in its factory location. The JL-Loud fits perfectly back there. The roof mounts perfectly. If you want more information on our JL Soundbars and the JL-Loud, visit our website, DS18.com. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.